Alrighty guys, got a little unboxing here. If you are friends with me on Facebook, you'll know that I recently ordered another amp. It's hanging out over there. And some various other things. Well, this is one of the various other things. Open up this box here. Boom. That is 2-watt welding cable. Oh, it's hefty stuff too. 15 feet of it. Let's see if I can get it out of this. Okay, so we're back. There's a 2-watt. It's reasonably flexible. It's not quite as flexible as most car audio cable, but it does have much thicker strands than most car audio cable does. But for the price I paid for it, I can't complain. And yeah, this is one of the good things about welding cable is it's always true to spec, and it's always pure copper. And this might actually look smaller than normal car audio zero gauge, but car audio zero gauge equals about 2-watt, so it's about right actually. But it's reasonably flexible. I'll have some flexibility test with it in the future, but this is going to be going in with the new amp, second amp. So yeah, that's that. Quick unboxing video. I've got some other assorted stuff over here. I've got some 2-watt spring terminals, solid copper, all that good stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.